Subscribe Dr. Sadiq Mathematics channel for getting more online videos.
Evaluate triple integral over V dV, where V is the region that lies below the plane z is equal to x plus 2 above xy plane, and between the cylinder x square plus y square that is equal to 1 and x square plus y square that is equal to 4. How to find volume by using triple integration? Today we discuss problems on volume. What friends? Problems on volume. Let us say the problem. Evaluate triple integral over V dV, where V is the region that lies below the plane z is equal to x plus 2, where friends below the plane z is equal to x plus 2 and above the xy plane, okay, above the xy plane, and between the cylinder x square plus y square that is equal to 1 and x square plus y square that is equal to 4. Okay, this is 2019 question friends, important problem. Let us see the solution. First of all, write the given data friends here. So given triple integral over V dV. dV means dx dy dz. So write here triple integral over V dx dy dz. Moreover, given the region lies below the plane. Okay, he given plane z is equal to x plus 2. Okay, above the xy plane. In the xy plane, what is z value? Z value is equal to 0. Moreover, given between the cylinder, okay, between the two cylinders, say here cylinders here x square plus y square that is equal to 1 and another one is x square plus y square that is equal to 4. Okay, this is our bounded region friends. We are finding the volume of this bounded region. Now if we see like this, we cannot understand problem. మనం ఈ విధంగా చూస్తే ప్రాబ్లం అర్థం కాదండి. గ్రాఫికల్గా చూస్తే we can solve the problem very easily and it is understandable friends. చాలా ఈజీగా అర్థం అవుతుంది. Okay, let us see geometrically. See here, this is the geometrical one friends. Okay, so here this is x-axis friends. Okay, are you see here, this is x-axis, and if you observe here, this is y-axis, and here we have z-axis. Okay, z-axis. Now what he given, z is equal to x plus 2. See friends here, this is the plane. Okay, what he says plane. So this is the plane. What is the plane name here friends? Z is equal to x plus 2. Z is equal to x plus 2. Where z is equal to 0? In xy plane. Okay, and then x square plus y square that is equal to 1. It represents a cylinder. See here, there are two cylinders. There are how many cylinders? Two cylinders. Say x square plus y square that is equal to 1. So this one is x square plus y square that is equal to 1. And second one is x square plus y square that is equal to 4. X square plus y square that is equal to 4. Clearly here the circle center is 0 0 and radius is 1. And second cylinder friends, center is 0 0. Okay, the radius is 2. Okay, radius is 2. Now what he says here, below the plane z is equal x plus 2. So below this, okay, below this z is equal x plus 2, above the xy plane. So above the xy plane, and between the cylinder. Okay, that means our region is here between these two cylinder and below this region. So this is, okay, this is our region friends. This is our region. Okay, we are finding volume of this region. Okay, to evaluate this integration easily, I want to convert this Cartesian equation into Cartesian form into cylindrical coordinates friends. Okay, to evaluate this integration easily, I want to change into polar coordinates, sorry, cylindrical coordinates. Change in cylindrical coordinates. Cylindrical coordinates. What are the cylindrical coordinates, friends? Generally we know r, theta and z. Okay, what are the coordinates here? X is equal to r cos theta. Of course, we can take phi also, and y that is equal to r sin theta. Okay, and z is equal to z. Z is equal to z. Now, this integration can be written as here triple integral over v dx dy dz, that is equal to triple integral over v in cylindrical coordinates. This dx dy dz becomes here r dr d theta and dz. This is the formula, friends. This is our formula. Okay, now here it is enough to find the limits of r, theta and z. R, theta and z. Now what about this r, friends? This is Jacobian value. So Jacobian value in cylindrical polar coordinates is r. Okay, if you understand this Jacobian concept or change of variable concept, please watch change of variable, friends. Already done that video. Okay, please watch that video. So here I want to find the limits of r, theta, z. So limits. Clearly here z is equal to 0. Okay, one of the limits z is equal to 0, and then upper limit is z is equal to x plus 2. What is x value? R cos theta. So z is equal to 2 plus r cos theta. Now I want to find the limits of r and theta. Here clearly z is equal to 0 and z is equal to x plus 2. Now how can you find here? How can you find the limits of r and theta? Here little bit difficult, friends. So I want to go in 2 dimension, friends. How it represents? Let us see in 2 dimension. So this is x axis and y axis. See here, in 2 dimension it represents a circle, friends. In 3 dimension it is cylinder, it represents a cylinder. In 2 dimension it represents a circle. So first one is circle of radius 1. Clearly radius is 1. Second circle radius is 2, friends. Second circle radius is 2. So here the circle radius is 2. Okay, clearly 2. Now what is our boundary region? This is between 2 circles. Okay, this is our bounded region. Okay, to find r and theta we draw a wedge, friends, here. So this is the wedge. Draw a wedge. What is our point here? Point is P and Q. This is our region. Okay, now here r value, what is r value? 1. Here r value is 2. Okay, we know here clearly first circle radius is 1 and second circle radius is 2. So r value is 1. R value is 1 to 2. R is equal to 1 to r is equal to 2. Now you turn this wedge up to from theta is equal to 0 to up to theta is complete circle. So what is complete circle? 2 pi. Okay, angle is 2 pi. So theta is equal to 0 to theta is equal to 2 pi. In this way we are finding the limits, friends. Okay, once again in this way nobody explain. ఈ విధంగా ఎవరు చెప్పరండి. అది ఈ 3 డైమెన్షన్ గ్రాఫ్ చెప్పాలంటే ఎవరి వల్ల కాదు. ఈ రీజన్ చాలామంది ఇమాజిన్ కూడా చేయలేరండి. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ టైం అండి. విచ్ వీఆర్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయినింగ్ ఇన్ 3 డైమెన్షన్ గ్రాఫికల్లీ. ఓకే, మన 3 డైమెన్షన్ గ్రాఫ్ అనేది ఫస్ట్ టైం మనం చెప్తున్నాం. ఇలాగ రీజన్ చూడండి ఇక్కడ విజనరీ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ మనం ఏ రీజన్ ఐడెంటిఫై వాల్యూమ్ ఫైండ్ చేస్తున్నాం అనేది. మీరు ఈ విధంగా చేస్తే వాడు ఏ ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చినా సరే మనం ఈజీగా చేసేయచ్చు. ఓకే, వన్స్ అగైన్ హౌ టు ఫైండ్ ద లిమిట్స్ హియర్. Clearly here above the xy plane, so z is equal to 0, below the plane z is equal to x plus 2. So here this is our region, so z is equal to x plus 2 means x is r cos theta. So finally we get z is equal to 2 plus r cos theta, substitute here. Then I want to find here r and theta limits. Here it is a little bit difficult, friends, so go to 2 dimension. So in 2 dimension x axis and y axis, draw a circle. In 3 dimension it represents cylinder, in 2 dimension it represents a circle. Circle radius 1, circle radius is 1 here. Okay, and second circle radius is 2. What is our bounded region? I already told you this is our bounded region. So this is our bounded region. Try a wedge here. Here here starts our limits. So r value here 1 and r value is 2. Okay, and then theta is equal to 0 here and complete circle. So theta is equal to 2 pi, theta is equal to 2 pi. In this way we get this limits, friends. Now simply substitute. Triple integral r dr d theta dz, that is equal to, first we are writing here theta limits, so 0 to 2 pi, r limits 1 to 2, z limits 0 to 2 plus r cos theta, 0 to 2 plus r cos theta. R, this is the limits for dz, this is the limits for r, so dr, this is the limits for theta, that is equal to, here the limits are in terms of r. Okay, so first integrate with respect to z here, don't do integrate separately. 0 to 2 pi integral 1 to 2, r with respect to z is r is constant, so integral of dz is z between 0 to 2 plus r cos theta into dr d theta, that is equal to integral 0 to 2 pi integral 1 to 2 r, substitute upper limit we get 2 plus r cos theta, lower limit the value is 0 into dr d theta, that is equal to integral 0 to 2 pi integral 1 to 2 multiply with r, we get 2r plus r square cos theta dr d theta. Okay, now that is equal to integral 0 to 2 pi integral of 2r, friends, we get 2 into r dr is r square by 2 plus integral of r square dr, so r cube by 3, with respect to r theta is constant. Okay, r cube by 3 cos theta between the limits, what are the limits, 1 to 2 into d theta, that is equal to integral 0 to 2 pi, substitute upper limit in place of r, 2 cancel, we get 2 square 4 plus 2 cube 8 by 3 cos theta minus substitute lower limit 1 minus 1 by 3, 1 cube by 3 means 1 by 3 cos theta into d theta, that is equal to integral 0 to 2 pi 4 minus 1 3 plus 8 by 3 minus 1 by 3, okay, 7 by 3 cos theta plus 7 by 3 cos theta into d theta, that is equal to integral of 3 into d theta is theta plus 7 by 3 integral of cos theta d theta is sin theta plus sin theta, please remember, between 0 to 2 pi, that is equal to substitute upper limit 3 into 2 pi plus 7 by 3 into sin 2 pi, the substitute lower limit is 0, sin 0 value is 0. Okay, so 3 into 2 6 pi, we know this value is 0 because general term sin n pi value is equal to 0. So sin 2 pi value Sin 2 pi value also 0 friends, sin 2 pi value also 0. So finally we get the volume is 6 pi, volume is 6 pi friends. Let us say once again, what he says, evaluate this integration, integral dv. Okay, and then geometrically here lies below the plane, so below this plane, above the xy plane, so above the xy plane, and between, what he says, between the cylinder x square plus y square is equal to 1 and x square plus y square is equal to 4. So between this, so our bounded region is this one friends. Okay, to evaluate, I am writing given data here. To evaluate this integration easily, converting into cylindrical coordinates, x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin, z is equal to, right here. Simply here are finding the limits of r theta z. Okay, what about this r? This r is Jacobian value. Okay, clearly here z is equal to 0. Okay, clear. What is z upper limit? Upper limit, he given x plus 2, so x value is r cos theta, so r2 plus r cos theta. I want to find then r and theta limits. So r and theta limits here he cannot find here, cannot find here. Okay, then go to 2 dimension. Of course here also we can find, but we cannot imagine. మనం ఇక్కడ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చండి, కానీ ఇమాజిన్ చేయలేము. సో బెటర్ టు గో టు 2 dimension, we can imagine easily. So in 2 dimension we know it represents a circle. Okay, this is concentric circle. Now this is our bounded region. Draw a wedge here. Our region is this between 2 circles. So here r is equal to 1, r is equal to 2. So r is equal to 1, r is equal to 2. It is complete circle. So theta is equal to 0 to theta is equal to 2 pi. Simply substitute. You write down the order, proper order here. Okay, integrate z, substitute upper limit and lower limit, and then with respect to r, integrate with respect to r, then we get this, substitute lower limit and upper limit, we get these terms in terms of theta and constant. Simply integrate with respect to theta, substitute upper limit and lower limit, we get the value is 6 pi. 6 pi is volume of the bounded region. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment box. Hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.